Welcome to Learn English with Amardeep channel. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to look at conversation at a restaurant. In this video, you will listen to an easy and slow story about James and Rosy in a restaurant. You will learn useful words and phrases used in restaurants. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. Are you ready? Let's begin.
James, I'm hungry. Let's have dinner somewhere nice today.
That's a great idea. How about this restaurant? It looks beautiful.
Yes, it does. The place looks busy, though.
Busy restaurants usually have good food. Let's go inside.
Do we need a reservation?
I'm not sure. Let's ask. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Good evening. We'd like a table for two, please. Certainly. Do you have a reservation? No, we don't. That's okay. We have a table available. Please follow me. Thank you. Here is your table, near the window.
Oh, I love window seats. The view is wonderful.
Here are your menus. I'll be back in a few minutes.
There are so many options on this menu.
Yes, they have appetizers, soups, salads, pasta, seafood, and steaks.
What exactly is an appetizer?
An appetizer is a small dish you eat before the main course.
I see. Maybe we should order one.
Good idea. The garlic bread sounds delicious.
And I would like a salad.
What about the main course?
I'm thinking about grilled fish.
That sounds healthy.
What are you going to order?
I'm interested in the steak.
You always order steak.
That's because I love steak.
Fair enough.
Are you ready to order? Yes, we are. What would you like to start with? We'd like one garlic bread and one garden salad. Certainly. For the main course, I'd like the grilled steak. How would you like it cooked? Rare, medium, or well done? Medium, please.
Excellent. And for you, ma'am?
I'd like the grilled fish.
Would you like lemon sauce or butter sauce with the fish?
Lemon sauce, please.
Good choice.
We'd also like 2 glasses of iced tea.
Certainly. I'll bring your drinks shortly.
James, what's the difference between a main course and a side dish?
The main course is the primary part of the meal. A side dish is something served with it, like rice, vegetables, or potatoes.
That's easy to understand.
The steak comes with mashed potatoes, which is a side dish.
And my fish comes with vegetables.
Exactly.
I learn something new every time we eat out.
Restaurants are great places to practice English.
Here are your drinks.
Thank you.
And here are your appetizers.
The garlic bread smells amazing.
The salad looks fresh.
Let's eat.
Wow. The salad is very fresh and crispy.
The garlic bread is delicious.
I can understand why this restaurant is popular.
Me too. I hope everything is okay.
Yes, everything is excellent.
I'm glad to hear that. Here are your main dishes.
Thank you.
The steak looks fantastic.
My fish looks delicious.
Let's enjoy our meal.
My fish is wonderful. The lemon sauce is perfect.
My steak is tender and flavorful.
How are the mashed potatoes?
They're soft and creamy.
That's great.
James takes another bite and notices something. Excuse me?
Yes, sir?
I ordered my steak medium, but this seems a little overcooked.
I'm very sorry about that. Let me check.
Thank you.
I apologize for the mistake. I'll ask the kitchen to prepare a new steak immediately. Thank you for your help.
Good evening. I'm the manager. I heard there was an issue with your steak.
Yes, but your waiter has already helped us.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
We are preparing a new steak for you right now.
Thank you for taking care of the problem so quickly.
Customer satisfaction is very important to us.
That's good service.
Thank you. We hope you enjoy the rest of your meal. Here is your new steak, sir.
This looks perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. A few minutes later.
Now I'm full.
Me too. But I still have room for dessert.
Really? Dessert doesn't count. That's funny.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
We have chocolate cake, cheesecake, ice cream, and apple pie.
I'll have the chocolate cake.
I'll have vanilla ice cream.
Excellent choices.
The ice cream is so creamy.
The chocolate cake is rich and delicious.
After finishing dessert.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course.
The prices are reasonable.
Yes. The food and service were excellent.
Are you paying by card?
Yes.
You may insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you.
Don't forget the tip.
Of course. Good service deserves a good tip.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Thank you for dining with us tonight.
Thank you for your excellent service.
We really enjoyed our meal.
We're happy to hear that. We'll definitely come back again.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. How was the video? I hope it helped you learn and improve your English. On this channel, I share easy stories and podcasts in simple English. I also provide useful tips for everyday situations. I will continue to upload more videos like this. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. Also, please like the video and write a comment. That's all for today. I hope to see you again in the next video. See you next time. Goodbye.